So guys, it's very cold and it's about 6 AM, so let's go. So guys, we have left for Naran and I'm seriously super excited. Just don't forget to refuel your car before we left for Naran, so yeah, we are refueling.
We were on our way to Naran and I sit in the car for about 6 hours as I thought, and it's about 1 o'clock and we left home about 6 o'clock, so yeah, we thought to take a rest. Let's go and take a rest. Let me show you the place around.
Naran is about 101 kilometers away and I'm starting to feeling pain inside my ears, you know, the aeroplane effect or something like that, so yeah. So I was on my way to Balakot and guess what? I found this great river behind. I mean, it's a bluish water. Guys, this place is seriously awesome and I'm very grateful that I am here right now at this place and I'm seeing it with my own eyes, so let's go further. So we stopped to the nearest truck stop to buy something. Yeah, I was feeling a little bit of hungry. So guys, we bought a bunch of stinks. Guys, this place is seriously great and so awesome. I haven't seen this much good place in my whole life, guys. I mean, as you can see, it's behind it the mountainous view and it's really cold weather here, so this place is really great, guys. I seriously love it. So hey there guys, this place is seriously awesome. I mean, let's go down there. I can't wait to go down there. I mean, as you can see, this place is really awesome. Let's go down there. I mean, pretty fucking serious guys. Let's go down. So guys, I'm here and this place is seriously awesome. As you can see, I really loved it guys. As you can see, whoa, great. Oh yeah, let's go on our way. So guys, we have reached Naran and it's about 5 o'clock, so it's already night. So yeah, that's my brother. Hey, say hi man.
Hi.
Yeah, so let's go outside to see what's there guys. Let's go outside. I mean, as you can see, it's evening. We're gonna, so yeah, let's go outside. So guys, now we are going to find a hotel room to stay at night. So guys, we get this cool looking room at a very reasonable price and the Wi-Fi is also there, so we're gonna enjoy it too much. So guys, it's about 7:30 and I'm feeling hungry, so let's go to eat something. Yeah. So hey there guys, I'm at the hotel now and it's really freezing. I'm freezing right now. So let's order something to eat. What a food, man. I mean, it was wonderful, amazing. The white korma, the chicken krai and the fish fillets, it was amazing guys. It was super amazing. The food was seriously delicious and good. So we came to Naran and it was important to try Kashmiri tea, so yeah. It's great. So guys, I've returned to the hotel and now it's enough for today and now I'm gonna sleep, and tomorrow we're gonna go to the Saiful Muluk Jheel and all that other things, so peace out.
better.